Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Texas Motion Denied. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All of my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so now I have a recording from my aunt that went to court yesterday. Okay, what makes his situation different from anybody else's situation that I was dealing with is because this guy only had one night to prep for court the next morning. Okay, so what I mean by that was when he got his money together to make the donation, he was trying to make the donation the night before. Okay, so we had run into technical difficulties that night with receiving a donation. It's not from his side or not from my side. We just ran into a technical difficulty. But that's neither here nor there. The brother, he's going to come on here as well to give his own testimony and explain what have taken place and, show proof of his documentation and everything else. Because he went back to the court today to receive his documentation because they said it wasn't going to be ready yesterday. So they told me to come back today and pick it up. So he's going to come on here and do his own testimony. I just want to share with you all his hearing that he recorded in court. Okay? In this hearing, the judge tried to cut him off and everything else. Try to make it seem as though he didn't know what he was talking about, but he still won the case. Like I tell y'all, these judges are there to keep the facade going. They're there to make the people in the audience believe that they have control. Okay? Something else about the cat that I just helped out, my aunt that I just helped out, who hearing this is, we didn't use the straw man method for him because we didn't have time to. We only had one night to prep. He didn't get none of the other documents. I gave him 2 documents to file into the court. He filed both of those documents into the court and seek remedy. Still got remedy. The motion was denied against him. They were trying to arrest this man, force him to pay, or arrest him. He didn't do either or, walked out of there. So not only did he piss off this child's mom, he pissed off the agency, the judge, and the bailiff. They was all mad at him, but they couldn't do nothing about it. Y'all will be able to hear it in the recording. Like I stated before, it's multiple ways of beating these people. Okay? Just in 2 weeks alone, I put up 3 testimonies. When I put up his testimony, it's gonna be 4 testimonies in 2 weeks. How many people you know on YouTube doing that? People say they doing helping you out in child support. We haven't seen nothing. Okay, you have cats telling you to file federal lawsuits. Never seen one of those yet. Or if somebody won it. And you have cats telling you to sue your child's mom. Never seen one of those yet that they won. Same cats that's going into court losing left and right. Clients are losing left and right. Making their mind up to come over here to the winning side. Like I told y'all, he will be magnified. The brother just need to get that heart up, stand strong, and know what they know. Okay? And know that they can get remedy if they believe in what they're doing. Okay? And they must know for self. And this brother right here whose court order I'm about to play, whose court hearing I'm about to play, he is more evidence because he only had one night to prep. Okay? So with that being said, let's listen in to his hearing.
Any witnesses that intend to testify, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Sir?
I do.
All right, stand up. All right, Mr. Cortez, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have counsel present. You cannot afford an attorney if the court will appoint you an attorney. You have the right to have these proceedings recorded, which they are with our digital recorder today. You understand your rights?
I do.
And you're ready to proceed?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Beck, please. Continue.
Okay, Your Honor, with Mr. Cortez having filed the motions, the state would posit that he presents his special appearance before the court, or before whoever I am, before the state proceeds with our case in chief.
All right, Mr. Cortez, you may proceed.
Your Honor, I would ask at this...
Did you file this and give copies to the other parties?
I did not. I filed it with the district court this morning.
Court today properly, so Ms. Beck, you may proceed on your motion to revoke.
Okay, so y'all see how the judge automatically cut him off. She know that she has a copy in her hand because she just told the judge about the motion. He didn't mention it. Matter of fact, he didn't even file a motion. He just filed the special appearance. When she mentioned the special appearance, so the judge should automatically know that she has a copy of it before, or she wouldn't be able to mention it. Okay, so that's more wickedness that they was doing. So the judge still tried to cut him off from explaining. Excuse me. But the judge was trying to cut him off from explaining his stance on his special appearance. You see? But let's continue.
Okay. At this time, the state would ask the court to take judicial notice of the obligating order that was done in 2007.
The 2007 order?
Yes.
Okay, judicial notice is taken.
And I do not, in fact, I would ask the court to take judicial notice of the entire court file, including the order that found Mr. Cortez in contempt and then suspended that commitment.
Judicial notice is taken of the entire court file.
Thank you, Your Honor. And at this time, the state would offer in evidence what is marked as Case Exhibit 1 and is the pay record in this case.
Any objections? Sir?
Your Honor, I'm solely here to file a special appearance.
Objections to the pay record?
Your Honor, I'm just here to, in special appearance, to file a challenge of jurisdiction to the courts,
Okay, well,
the service of process.
do you have any objections to the pay record?
Your Honor, I'd like to ask why my special appearance is being
You
denied.
didn't properly bring it before the court, you didn't serve it on the other party, and I've already asked you if you announced ready to go, and you did.
Your Honor, I was not properly served under.
Sir, I asked you if you were ready to go, and you said yes. Now, you have an objection
This
to the
information
court?
was filed to
Sir,
the.
I'm not asking, I'm asking, do you have any objections to state on the pay record?
So you all see how she's trying to control the situation by not trying to let him speak and get out the information that she asked him for. Okay? So now she's trying to make him talk about another subject. But let's continue. Let's listen to it to the end.
No.
All right, state's one submitted.
At this time, the state calls Kristen Wade. Ms. Wade, would you identify the person to my left? And with that, the state rests. With the pay record and identification. And a prior order, Your Honor, I don't need anything.
Okay, so with that being said, she said the state rest. Okay, now let's listen to the ruling.
State's motion is denied.
Heard the judge say, all right, the state motion is denied. So let's go back again. Hold on.
With the pay record and identification. And a prior order, Your Honor, I don't need anything.
State's motion is denied.
Hold on, let me go back again. The phone had messed up. Let's go back again and get that situated. Hold on.
With the pay record and identification. And a prior order, Your Honor, I don't need anything.
State's motion is denied.
All right, the state motion was denied. So now they brought him in there to do all of this and that to him just to get the motion denied. But let's continue. Hold on.
You're free to go. Yeah.
Can I get a copy before I leave?
Copy of what?
Whatever your ruling was.
It says denied. I don't have anything. She's going to
You
report
prevail.
later.
Okay.
You prevail.
Thank you.
You heard that? It was denied. Hold on. Did y'all hear that? She said it was denied. I don't know why I keep coming on. Hold on. Y'all heard that? It said it was denied, and the lawyer for the attorney for the agency said, you have prevailed. So again, the guy went in there, kept stand on topic, then let them get off the topic. Even though they tried to change the topic, they knew they could not move forward with the paperwork we put in. So they can try to go on with the process all they want, but long as we get the victory in the end, that's all that matters. So let them try to confuse the public that's out there in the audience listening in. Let them feel as though they have control, but in the end, we see who actually won the case. So let's go back again and hit the ending.
State's motion denied.
So he said, all right, the state motion is denied, but let's see what else he tell him he can do.
Is you free to go? Yeah.
You're free to go. Let's continue. Meaning he's free to leave. Let's continue. But he asked her this.
Can I get a copy before I leave?
Copy of what?
Whatever your ruling was.
It says,
So he asked her for a copy of the ruling. But let's listen to the judge. Let's go back.
is you free to go? Yeah.
Can I get a copy before I leave?
Copy of what?
Whatever your ruling was.
It says denied. I don't have anything either.
The ruling was denied, like she stated. She have nothing for him. But they got to still document that she denied their ruling. That's what he was trying to get. Documentation that ruling that she entered into the court was denied. But let's continue. Oh, excuse me for that. But let's continue.
She's going to prevail later.
Okay.
You prevail.
Thank you.
And then the lawyer again at the end said, you prevailed. So with that being said, the brother went in there and did his thing, pissed his child mom off. She's sending him all types of text messages going off on him and stuff like that because she mad that he done his thing and he got victory in the court. She's talking about, well, the lawyer made a mistake or the lawyer dropped the ball somehow and a bunch of nonsense. But I know what's taking place. He knows what's taking place. And we also can hear it in the recording what is taking place. So again, if you want remedy, you got to fight. All right. Like I tell y'all, if you don't fight, you don't win. This is another powerful information put out for all can hear and all can see that you can win into these courts. Stop being scared. Man up, gird your loins, and begin to fight. If you only how you gonna get remedy if you fight. He was in court for less than 5 minutes, as you can see. Okay, because the first minute and a half was just him recording it, getting called up to the front. So he was in the courtroom for probably like 2 to 3 minutes. Case is over with. Quick, fast, in a hurry. No argument. He didn't argue at all. Like I tell y'all, it's nothing to argue about. Nothing to argue about. So again, if you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. For all my brothers out there fighting, continue to fight. Don't quit. Don't give up. Okay? Remedy is out there. You gotta want to get it. Can nobody do it for you? You have to do it for yourself. Alright? So with that being said, you all be blessed. Shalom.